What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Tay, and I got my boy.
Moore, my bad. Should I go by Moore or Tony? I'm just
Moore.
Tony.
Tony?
Yeah, Tony.
Alright, this is my boy Tony, the guy that's behind everything, like recording, editing, all that. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, watch the full video. I'm telling y'all gonna like it. Facts. You started?
Huh? Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, what's up, man? Tay Squad. Look, I got a name for y'all already. It's called Tay Squad. I ain't gonna call y'all the Life of Tay family, all that type of stuff. It's Tay Squad. We're here with Mukbang. Five Guys.
I got the Five Guys burgers.
Yeah, it's the first time you
Fat boy.
My homie put me on with Five Guys. So we gotta try this. This could be our little thumbnail.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, baby. It tastes like, I still trying to remember that restaurant, bro. It's in the suburbs. That's the name, bro. Just like Shake Shack. I don't know. If I find a name, I'm gonna put it in the video.
I don't know, but it's smacking right now.
Yeah. They put a lot of fries in the bag, too.
Yeah, they'll give you like these small ass cups right here.
Right. Yeah,
But then they'll like flood the bag with hella fries.
they get you right though. That's one thing. First time trying them. Oh man.
I mean, we was walking around looking for a tripod, but we couldn't find it.
You went to
We were in the mall and nobody had tripods.
That's crazy.
So we got it sitting right here.
Literally went to like every phone store. So at this mall. Make sure y'all be prepared for October. I'm doing that Vlogtober thing. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all didn't know, this is my cameraman. This is the guy who put the intro together. What else? Who edit my videos and all that. This him right here. So y'all want to hit him up. His stuff will be in the description. Y'all can hit him up too. So yeah, just be prepared for October, man. There's a lot of stuff coming soon. It's just the beginning.
And December, bro.
Yeah. I just told him we might do a prank, like on a scary prank, something like that, for Halloween with my family members. So y'all gonna see that. Decent, man.
So then, this is more like an update video then.
Yeah.
Cause like, we don't want to shoot nothing like real
Exclusive, yeah.
yet. Cause he's gonna get a camera on the 20th.
Yeah.
But we didn't want to leave y'all with no videos for 20 days. So we just shooting this like little update video shit.
And I had told him, without him, I probably wouldn't have made no mukbang or anything. I told him I was gonna make a video once I get my camera. But he said, nah, bro, you need to stay consistent. Like, you need to drop one before. So, yeah, shout out to bro.
You be watching football?
Who?
Football?
Something. You heard about, what's his name? He got traded to the...
Antonio Brown? Yeah. I was about to ask you about that.
How you feel about that? I think he gonna go crazy or like...
I mean...
Because everybody keeps saying, oh, they cheating for doing that.
I heard the only reason he popped off on the Raiders dude was because his agent had already been talking to Patriots about him moving over there.
For real?
Yeah. so he didn't really care. But he's been talking about like
Leaving.
he was talking about saying he's like I don't need all this guaranteed money from the Raiders because I get all my money from endorsements. Damn son. He was like I get all my money from endorsements and all my T-shirts and clothing and stuff. But
basically, he ain't tripping over,
Yeah.
money.
But then when they were talking about giving him less money, he started tripping, talking about how y'all expect me to play with his little ass money.
So pretty much, I mean, they gave him a $15 million though deal.
Yeah.
So he decent though. I guess he was on him like, nah, I ain't trying to get nothing lower than that. Pretty much.
You ever
It's
watch the
decent,
show Ballers?
Baller.
Yeah. It's pretty good. It's with The Rock.
That sounds familiar. It's like something he be talking about, like something funny or something. I think my grandma was telling me about that.
I mean, there's funny parts, but it's about The Rock is he's like a financial advisor for a bunch of dudes that are in the league, I guess, like small name dudes. But yeah, it's just about him and all the like problems that like the NFL players will get into fights, and he has to like cover them and then make them try to look good so they don't lose money on their contracts type shit. At least that's what the first season was about. I'm on the second season right now.
It's on Netflix.
It's on HBO.
She don't be watching cable, bro. Cause they don't got no good shows. But that sounds decent though. I be watching this show called The Purge. You heard of it? It's like
I think I've
Purge.
seen it before.
Yeah,
I haven't like seen it, but I've
heard
seen
of it.
stuff about it. Yeah,
It's decent.
it's like the movie, right?
Yeah, but it's like a TV show. Y'all see this? It's just so sloppy, like.
Bro, the Shake Shack burgers were greasy as hell, but I still think they're the best burgers in Chicago.
I never been to Shake Shack, y'all. I'm gonna go soon. That's probably be the next mukbang.
This fool never been to Hooters either.
Never been to Hooters.
We can
Like, man, I don't be out like that. That shit was my first time going to Wingstop. Like,
I don't like Wingstop. Wingstop's dead.
I think Buffalo better.
You ever had buffalo wings and rings? It's whack. Anyways, don't try.
Where you get it from? From Wingstop.
No, it's called Buffalo Wings and Rings. That's the
Oh, that's the
restaurant
place?
name. Yeah.
Oh, but yeah. Let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all haven't did that yet. I'm telling you, just like let me
Literally
know.
anything.
Cause I be like I don't know what to do sometimes.
That's the hardest
why-
part about doing YouTube.
Right. Like,
Being
should I do
consistent
this?
and knowing what to do.
Right. But like, if y'all let me know what to do, that's how we become, consistent of what we want to do. So just, yeah, let me know
That's all it takes, bro, is consistency.
Right. and communicate.
Like that's the best thing. Consistency for YouTube is like essential because you can post whatever you want, but if you post a consistent amount of videos, you'll eventually gain an audience set around that type of videos that they like watching, so they'll subscribe to you.
Whatever they like.
But
watching.
if they don't see you're consistent, then they're gonna forget about you
Facts.
and not want to watch it.
You're right, bro. So yeah, that's what I need y'all to do. Just let me know, what to post or what y'all want to see me post.
It's like
I'll do it, bro. I swear, I'll do it.
It's
I
like
know my fans, or not fans, but the people who subscribe to me, that's what they want to see. So
it's like we're here to entertain you,
right,
entertain y'all. So like whatever you guys want us to do,
just let us know. You can even hit him up too.
yeah, for sure.
For real. Just don't be scared to. Like, I don't think he'll reply. No.
And if we make a video that you guys don't like, don't hesitate to tell us.
Right.
Like honestly, I don't know about you, but I don't care about likes or dislikes.
Right, me either.
But if you actually don't like the video, throw it a dislike so we know Like that's not what you guys want to see. Because we're entertainers for you. So if you work with us, we work with you.
Right. We showing y'all who we is, and what we are capable of doing. So yeah. Facts. And get me to 100 subscribers. I'm at 52 right now.
Yeah, the more you spread the word.
Yeah.
I got an idea, bro. So at the end of each video, y'all could send us in like any funny Snapchat videos y'all think would be funny, or any funny Snapchat videos you guys have. Send them in to us, and we'll put it at the end of the videos.
Anything. And like, what I'm gonna start doing later on my channel, I'm gonna start like giving people shout outs. You feel me? Like, cause Ace family, they do some type of thing, like they shout out they supporters or whatever. Yeah, like that's what I'm gonna do. Like, just pick and choose. And just keep like whoever subscribe, whatever. Just keep showing y'all out.
We did get hella love on the first video.
What?
We got hella love on that.
Oh yeah, for sure. Thank y'all for that and support. I don't be thinking like people rocking me like that, but y'all be showing me though that like encourage me to do more.
That's the thing though. Some people could be fake rocking with you too.
Oh yeah,
like they just throw a comment or a like at you for no reason.
Probably never watched a video or anything. You right.
But that also goes with actually take the 10 minutes out of your day to actually watch the video and decide whether you like it or not. Because if you're just throwing like, this fire, then we're just gonna keep making those type of videos and not knowing if you guys actually like them or not.
Right.
Which goes back to what I was saying earlier.
So yeah, just take the time out of y'all day to watch the video.
It's just 10 minutes, man.
Right. It's not like it's an hour or anything. I'll probably never do that, like an hour video. Never know.
Yeah, and we're not on some Supreme Patty stuff either. No. We don't go crazy like that.
And I'm gonna have to redo my intro. Like I told my boy, I keep getting copyrighted for like every time I post my intro. I keep getting copyrighted. I don't know how. I post the music I got the intro from, I post that in my description. But like they just keep copyrighting me. And he said it was okay for me to use in my video. So yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna have to do. Change up the beats that's in my videos or whatever.
It's hot as hell in here, bro. I don't know how you're wearing a hoodie right now. I'm sweating.
Yeah, I might take this off right now.
You want to cut this right now or no?
Yeah.
You finished?
Could've made a hit, but instead I made two. Pistol on my hip, too big, can't move. When I'm in the booth, there ain't shit I can't do. Fly me out to Cali, cause it's time to hang loose.
You good, my guy?